Now I am writing this entire numerator as log 5 k equal to 1 to 10 secant e power k. Now whereas the secant is nothing but here log secant is minus log cos theta. That's why this entire minus small. But because log a we change to log a plus log b minus sigma k equal to 1 to 10 log of cos e to the power k. Okay, e power k into x. That is the term. Now here by using a Taylor expansion, we can get conclude that cos theta is approximately equal to 1 minus theta squared by 2. So here this cos e power kx, okay, is equal to 1 minus. So within the term you can write minus sigma k equal to 1 to 10. This log cos e power kx can be written as log of 1 minus, what is theta here? E power k x, right? Whole square by 2. Now it is approximately equal. And one more concept with respect to log, that is log 1 minus x is approximately equal to minus x when x is very small. Okay. Now this minus sigma k equal to 1 to 10. You can write it as minus e power kx whole square means e power 2k x square by 2. Okay. Now this entire thing can be written as minus into minus plus x square by 2 constant with respect to sigma. Right outside you can write it as x square by 2 sigma k equal to 1 to 10 e to the power 2k. Okay. So this is the numerator term. Numerator term, right? Now come to the denominator. Observe the denominator. What is denominator here? E power e square minus e power 2 cos x. I am taking e square common. You can write 1 minus e power 2 cos x by e square, right? In the next step, I am writing e square of 1 minus e power 2 cos x minus 2. E square into 1 minus e power 2 into cos x minus 1. Okay, again, what is cos x? Approximate if you take 1 minus x square by 2. Clear? So cos x minus 1, you apply approximate Taylor's rule. This cos x is nothing but 1 minus x square by 2 minus 1 as this, which gives minus x square by 2. Okay. Now here you can write e square of 1 minus e power 2 into, in place of cos x minus 1, you can write minus x square by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Is e power minus x. Now what is this? E square of 1 minus e power minus x square. Once again, if you apply Taylor's expansion, so e power x expansion is approximately equal to 1 plus x. Similarly, e power minus x approximately equal to 1 minus x. Okay. Now here e square of 1 minus. In place of e power minus x square, you can take 1 minus x square. Now 1 and 1 gets cancelled. Right? Minus into minus plus x square, which gives e square x square. This is the denominator. Okay. Now numerator is what? X square by 2 sigma k equal to 1 to 10 e power 2k. Denominator is what? E square x square. Right? Now come to the question. The question, what is given? Observe it. The given question is limit x tends to 0. Right? Limit x tends to 0 is there. Now I am rewriting this question. Up to this very clear. I am erasing this part just observe. The Taylor approximation rule apply yes, based on that we got some results. Question ni మొత్తం easy format లోకి change చేద్దాం. Just to focus what is the numerator and what is denominator. Okay. Question clear? Now I am rewriting the question. Limit x tends to 0. Observe here. What is your numerator? Numerator is what? X square. This is the numerator, right? Right. X square by 2. Sigma k is equal 1 to 10 e to the power 2k. This is the numerator. Why? Now write what is denominator. Observe here. The denominator is what? E power e square x square. This is the denominator. Okay? E square x square is denominator. So write here. Okay? E square x square is the denominator. Now finish very simple. So x square gets cancelled. Right? Now there is no use of limit here. 1 by 2 e square. 1 by 2 e square is constant. That means right outside of sigma. Already it is outside of. Now expand sigma. K equal to 1 to 10 is e square. K to e power 4. E power 6 up to so on. E power what? 2 into 10. Now this is SN GP series. What is A? E square. What is R? E square. N is how much? 10. Right? Now if you apply GP series A into R power n minus 1. E square into E square power 10 minus 1 by R minus 1. Then E square gets cancelled. Okay. So finally, what is your answer? You observe. Yes, sir. What is final answer? E power 20 minus 1 by 2 into E square minus 2. Okay. A good question. So, ఇక్కడ a limit concept use చేయలేదు. Taylor's expansion తో వెళ్ళాం. అంటే లిమిట్ డైరెక్ట్ ఎలా హాస్పిటల్లో ఇంకోటో వెళ్ళకుండా డైరెక్ట్ గా క్వశ్చన్ ని మూవ్ చేస్తాం. రైట్? జస్ట్ నోట్ ఇట్.